I will now introduce the Mrs. Seema, Mrs. Lata, Mrs. Rizwana, and Mrs. Bandana. These teachers are ably led by Mrs. Sarita Singh, teacher in charge. Our Nauthanabad faculty are Mrs. Manali and Mrs. Kanchana. Nauthani Bihar faculty are Mrs. Karuna, Mrs. Aditi, Mrs. Ashwini, Mrs. Swati, and Mrs. Danashri. They are led by me, Mrs. Vimla Muthukumaran. President Nava, Eastern Region, to please come up on the stage for a group photograph and address the gathering.
Little Angel School. Mrs. Bindu of the 3 branches of Little Angels, parents, dear students, I'll say tiny tots, ladies and gentlemen. A very, very good afternoon to each one of you. At the outset, first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the school for inviting me for this wonderful morning. I would have really missed something so well performed and conceptualized by the Kendras, by the teachers of all the 3 schools. Memory goes back few years when I was also a coordinator and looking after Little Angels, which was under the aegis of Nava then. And since then, the school has really come up a long way. I must say, it has gone leaps and bounds when we see the children today, what they were few years back. Words fail for me when I look back, and today when I was sitting, all tiny tots, what I was told by the headmistress, they are 2+. Being on the mic, the way they were delivering, it was on the mic when they spoke, they delivered it so beautifully. Each and every item, each and every performance, each and every child, when you look back, you see how talented they are, how good they have been. And naturally, this is the first stage what they have performed in this age, and they were doing it so naturally, so nicely, and it was really, I must say, an scintillating performance. It was totally mesmerizing. It could not have been with the hard work of the teachers who have really put in their best. If I speak of all the 3 schools, they showcased trees, they showcased animals, and they even spoke about save water. So all the 3 things, which is really the need of an hour. So in their own way, in their performances, they have really sent a message to all of us that today we really need to save water, trees and animals. And by the time these children grow up, there will be nothing if we don't do it today. So that is what they wanted to deliver and make us aware once again of all the three things which we in our day-to-day life, which we all have forgotten. So a big round of applause to the teachers and to the participants, the Tiny Tots, for such a wonderful morning. It could be a remiss if I don't mention the efforts of the parents who are actually the first teacher for the children. They were so how well they are performing. So I can just say the parents, no matter how much hard work you are putting in, how much efforts you are taking in to bring up your child, required of today's school, but what actually, one thing what they all need is love. And each and every parent, your child is individual. He is one of its own kind. He has got his own temperament. Some of them, they might be quick in their learning. Some of them, they might be very active in school. But that doesn't determine that the others who are slightly less, they are any less than any of the child. Each and every child is important to that as parents, we all only have to love our child unconditionally. We should not expect anything from them. They are too small to be expected out of them. Ki whatever we slightly push them to do things, let them just play, let them just enjoy life. Life is very, very beautiful. There is a long, long way for them to grow, to learn and to do things. So at this moment, holidays, I'm knowing that 13th the school is closing, let 2-3 months just be with them, enjoy them along with you all, take them around, show them places, keep them away from books, no homeworks, nothing for these children. And one more thing I'll say, there is no failure for them, there is no fail or pass for them. So just love them, be with them and enjoy your child. Once again, I would like to congratulate the school, each and every teacher from all the 3 schools. Thank you for putting up such a lovely program. Once again, for inviting me.
The culmination of hard work, dedication, and exemplary teamwork of our chief guest, Mrs. Devina Jain, President NAVA Eastern Region, for having taken time out of such a busy schedule and graced the occasion. We are indeed greatly honored, and also thank you for those inspiring words, ma'am. I would like to thank Commodore C.P. Vinod, Commanding Officer Satwana, and for his continued support, and his team of SCDO and OIC who stood by us and extended their help. We would like to thank all NAVA committee members, distinguished guests, and the principals and headmistress of various schools for gracing this occasion. A big thank you to all proud parents for your enthusiasm, cooperation, and the trust you all have reposed in us, and the parent volunteers whose active participation lit up our festival celebration. Well, an event of this magnitude cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for detail. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by our headmistress in conceptualizing this event and the team of very motivated and dedicated teachers to take it through.
शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय 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 हे
Ready? Okay. Ready? Ready? Ready?